Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to quickly get karma on Reddit. Open up the Reddit app. Click on your profile icon from the top right corner. From here, you can see the karma. Click on it. You can see there are two types of karma: post karma and comments karma. Number of posts you make and every post or comment that you will make. The number of likes or upwards your comment or post will receive, so according to that, you will receive karmas in your account. If you want to get some karma quickly on your Reddit account, in that case, what you can do is simply post some cat videos. In some cat subreddit, awesome cats are updated, so just simply choose a niche and try to get a viral video from Instagram or TikTok and then simply upload them here. Then you can see multiple people like your video and you can get some karma quickly. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.